Hello, this is Emily coming at you from Prince George Ford, and today we are looking at the 2024 Ford Ranger XLT. Coming in this nice carbonized gray coloring, this vehicle is powered by a 2.3-liter EcoBoost engine, has 4-wheel drive capabilities, and comes equipped with the Sport Appearance Package and the FX4 Off-Road Package. Taking a look at the back here, we do have rear park sensing, tow hitch, backup camera of course. We do have a nice gripped running board, blind spot detection, turn light indicator mirrors, and moving to the front, we do have that nice license plate bracket, block heater, and that nice Ford grille. Taking a look on the inside, we can see this vehicle does seat up to 5 pretty comfortably. We have this nice black and gray cloth interior, plenty of door space. We got a little storage here, USB and USB-C, and 120, the nice Ranger logo on the mat. And moving this down, oh, come on. We do have 2 cup holders and some arm space. And of course you can lift up these seats if you need additional storage as well. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see that we do have heated seats, the same. Not heated and powered seats, my bad. We do have the same cloth interior we saw in the back there. Plenty of door space. Got your tailgate light and lights just right there. Okay, now taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see that the odometer is sitting at 127 kilometers. We do have a nice leather-wrapped heated steering wheel, toggle-free screen, phone and media, volume, voice, and cruise control there. Looking at your main screen here, we do have My View, Trip and Fuel, off-road, towing, audio, phone, navigation, settings, and vehicle maintenance. Looking over here, you got your nice gear shift, speed adjusters, parking brake, traction, auto stop, auto start, drive modes, and 4-wheel drive, cup holders, nice little slot for storage, wireless charging pad, storage, USB and USB-C, leather center console with tons of storage down there. For your drive-terrain modes, you do get your trailer turn and rear locking differential, 4-wheel drive, and drive modes. You do get normal, oh come on, eco, sport, tow and haul, slippery, mud and rut, and sand. And continue your look here, you got your nice infotainment system, some basic climate controls, hazards, and that storage with storage underneath as well. And we're just going to look at our main screen here, go home. We have a radio, phone, navigation, media, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto. We do have the sketch option. In case you're waiting for something, you can sketch something else. Or just draw something in general, whatever you like. We do have our main settings for vehicle, zone, so on and so forth. Our backup camera. Our climate controls are just at the bottom. We do have our heated front seats. And so on and so forth. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is LE10704, and you can head on down to PG Ford or give us a call.